after the tone.
Hey sis, it's me. I can't wait to see you. I know it's been a couple of years. I'm home already, so when I see you, I'll give you a big hug. I love you.
Let me go. I don't wanna be your hero. I don't wanna be a big man. I just wanna fight with everyone else. Your masquerade. I don't wanna be a part of your parade. Everyone deserves a chance to